The relationship with food in a workplace is changing. Clients are looking for much more engaging experiences to attract and retain top talent, and they know that food is central to that.
We have a really big thing about it being a great place to work. Sodexo did profiling across the business. That was a really big part of doing the new modern recipe.
We did a major preference survey across site, speaking to 700 people, trying to understand what they wanted from their new food offer.
And from that they were able to see that actually it was really important that people got really healthy foods, things that were going to energise them. It's all about health, well-being, energy.
When we've implemented Modern Recipe, we've seen a real change in people's behaviour. They're actually moving to a much more plant-based diet, so that's helping with productivity in the workplace.
We went on a great journey, we took all the team with us. We just tried to share as much of the process and as much of the design, the look and feel, the food with them before we mobilised, and that felt like something that was really important to make sure they were engaged in Modern Recipe.
It's fresh, it's vibrant, it's global. A large aspect of it is health and well-being. Some of the plant food that we do on a daily basis is one of the best sellers, and that's obviously keeping in a fine balance as well with the classics and the favourites.
And the other thing is the chef's cooking it there in front of you, which is really fabulous. People are really interested in asking them about, how did you make this? How did you do that?
It's keeping it vibrant. We're giving people tasters. We're letting them try it. As soon as they've tried these dishes, before you know it, they're buying into it. Street food concepts are a really great way of adding a real interest to. We do it on a regular basis and people absolutely love it.
We've made sure that we're creating the right type of spaces for people to use throughout the day. Really important that people are able to come into our spaces and be able to have casual collisions and collaborate throughout the day. It's not about being in a formal environment, this is about having a nice, relaxed environment. So One Recipe is around relaxed excellence.
Absolutely fantastic feedback. The prices probably went up slightly because it's a totally different offering to what we had before, and people are really pleased to be paying that money, strangely enough, because they want high street restaurant quality food. The demographics are changing quite considerably, graduates and younger people coming through, and they want something totally different, much nicer, much better. They're not spots off the high street.